Alright, so for our warm-up today, we have two types of situations. I have an equation here, and then I have an inequality. So what we want to know is, how do you solve these equations and inequality, and what type of solution sets will we have for each one? So the first thing we want to do is go over here and basically practice kind of setting this up. So if I take the 7 and substitute for x, well, I'll get 21. And we're basically saying, is 21, is this going to make this true? Is 21 equal to 27? So we're saying that that's not a solution for this one. If I use my 8 and substitute in here, I'll get 24. Would 24 be a solution for this particular set? And again, the answer is no. 9, if I use 9 and trying to figure out what that solution is, I'll get 27. And since these two match up, this one would be our solution set for this. If I use 10, I'll get 30. And the answer is no for this one. So you'll see you have a unique situation here where I basically only have one type of solution for this set. For inequalities though, when I take these same numbers and substitute them in, I'll still get 21, 24, 27, and then 30. So 30. Now, would 21 be less than 27? And the answer is yes. So that would be considered a solution for this particular inequality. If I use the 8 and I get 24, is 24 less than 27? And again, I have another yes for this. Is 27 going to be less than itself 27? And since it's not equal, this one we have to say no on this, okay? And then 30, is 30 less than 27? Again, the answer is no. So what you'll see is, when it comes to inequalities, you'll have multiple answers or multiple solutions here based on what that inequality symbol is, okay? So when we're talking about equations, when we're solving, you get one unique answer. So one unique answer. And that's what we're looking for. Whereas at inequality, you have multiple answers for this. The one rule I also want to talk about before we get started with our lesson for today is, what is that special rule in solving inequality? So remember, if I multiply or divide by a negative number, flip the inequality symbol. So we want to make sure we follow through with that because that's going to be a very important rule, especially for your activity later on today.